Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women outfit ideas, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive, most amazing, stylish collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, and stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman outfit ideas. You can see different style, different ideas. You can see same colors and also combinations, bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, skirts, and full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, and you can see scarters, bodycons. You can see scarf, crochet woman, flowering scarf also, bunch of designs, caplet, capsule, circular jacket designs, and baby collection like crochet baby frog designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby shoes, and cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, and many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, please try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives, then they also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.